In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a received payment that has been deposited in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or need a quick refresher, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. Deleting a received payment that's made its way into a deposit can seem a bit confusing, but with a few simple clicks, you'll have it sorted out. First things first, let's navigate right to where we need to be. To begin, head over to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. There, you'll see the option labeled New. Click on this option. The New button acts as your gateway to a variety of tasks available within QuickBooks. And today, it's our starting point. Once you've opened the menu by clicking on New, we'll now choose the Bank Deposit option. Selecting Bank Deposit will bring up a comprehensive list of your received payments that are ready to be deposited. This screen essentially acts as an overview of the payments you've accepted and are currently scheduled to be deposited into your bank account. Now, what you want to do is locate the specific received payment you intend to delete from your deposit. As you scroll through the list of payments, you'll see that QuickBooks has conveniently organized all your transactions for easy viewing. Click on the received payment in question. By selecting it, you'll automatically trigger QuickBooks to prepare that payment for deletion from the deposit. Next, it's time to confirm where you'd like to deposit the remaining payments. You'll need to choose the correct bank account from the available list. This step ensures that all your correctly deposited funds are accurately reflected in the right account, maintaining the integrity of your financial records. Before concluding your task, double-check the date field and make sure you've inputted the correct date for the deposit. Adding the correct date assures your records are kept in chronological order and makes any future reconciling tasks smoother. After inputting the necessary details, you're ready to finalize the process. Simply click on Save and Close. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a received payment that was set to be deposited. Remember, managing your deposits correctly in QuickBooks Online not only keeps your financial data organized, but also prevents any discrepancies from arising in your records. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only managed to handle the specific task at hand, but also gained another bit of confidence in navigating QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.